What up, y'all? So look, we got some new stuff for my Mega Moto 212, man. We got a OMB warehouse RLV trumpet tip. So I'm about to unbox this for y'all right now. We're gonna see how it sounds, man. All right, y'all. This is the trumpet tip right here. Sheesh, look at that. That shit all shiny. It's kind of greasy, not gonna lie, but hey, that shit look clean though, man. It's like cost me like 11 bucks, I think. You know what I'm saying? But hell yeah, y'all see that? It's a trumpet tape. We're gonna get this installed on my big bike right now. But yeah, y'all. All right, y'all. So before we install this trumpet tip, I'm gonna show you what the straight pipe looks like right now. You know, it looks pretty decent. You know what I'm saying? Looks pretty decent. Still looks pretty good, you know. But so I'm gonna do a sound test for y'all first before the trumpet, and then we're gonna do a sound test after we install it, and we're gonna see how much of a difference it make, man. All right, y'all. What's he sound like before the trumpet tip? All right, y'all, we just got the exhaust on, man, or the trumpet tip, I should say, on. Definitely makes it look a lot meaner for sure, bro. I got some 1-inch muffler clamps for it on Amazon. I kind of had to like wiggle it in because the clamp was kind of a little bit small for this thing, but hey, I got it in. But yeah, you know what I'm saying. It's nice and tight on there. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all. So we're gonna do a startup test now with the new trumpet tip. We're gonna see what she sound like. Damn. Definitely got a bigger sound to it. Sound a lot better, man. Hell yeah. We're gonna take it for a little ride in a minute. Oh yeah, we're gonna take it for a little test ride, man. Damn. Okay. All right, y'all. That's the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm gonna catch y'all later, man.